cool for my dress, these shades don't leave my head. Everything you say is so irrelevant. You follow when I lead, you wanna be like me, but you just don't wanna be. Love it, hate it, I can't help the way I am. Hope you don't misunderstand, but I'm too cool, too cool. Yeah, I'm too cool, I know you. Don't take it personal, don't get emotional. You know it's the truth, I'm too cool for you. You think you're hot, but I'm sorry you're not exactly who you think you are. Can't tell you what you haven't got, but when we walk into the room, I'm too cool for you. You're lucky I'm so nice, even I'm surprised you are still allowed to be